we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for trading strategies effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Next, you'll want to access the Trading Strategies section. In 2026, ChatGPT has integrated advanced AI models that assist with trading decisions. Start by typing your query related to trading strategies in the chat box. You can ask for specific strategies based on current market trends, or even inquire about risk management techniques. ChatGPT will provide you with a detailed analysis and suggestions. Make sure to specify the type of trading you're interested in, whether it's stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, as this helps the AI tailor its responses to your needs. You can also request historical data analysis to understand past market behaviors. If you need a summary or clarification, just ask ChatGPT to break down the information further. It's important to cross-reference the information provided with other financial sources to ensure accuracy. Remember, while ChatGPT offers valuable insights, it's always wise to use it as part of a broader research strategy. You should also make use of the export feature to download the conversation for future reference. This can be crucial for tracking your trading decisions over time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.